This entire month of November, there have only been 3 days with high temperatures cooler than average. Today is one of those 3. We made it to a high of only 66 degrees. The average high for today is 68. More importantly, 66 is the coolest high temperature since all the way back in March. Now, this is the temperature side of our November story. How about the precip side? You may recall we had a lot of rain back on the 4th, and since then it's been pretty sparse. So when you add up everything, we are still at a deficit of about 1/3 of an inch of rain. Good news, I do finally have some rain in your forecast. Bad news, it's not until Tuesday of next week, and it doesn't look very heavy at this point. We certainly do need it. But more good news. Travelers, you won't have to worry about rain, not only here in Central Texas, but across the entire Lone Star State. We'll watch temperatures swing, but we will not see any precip to cause any issues. 81 degrees tomorrow. Yeah, we're going to bounce right back from 60 today to 80s tomorrow. The record tomorrow is 85. Cold front comes through tomorrow night. Thursday, Thanksgiving, a lot of spots may not even crack up to 60. I'm being optimistic. Most locations could actually be in the 50s for highs, and we do it all over again on Black Friday morning. Speaking of which, 39 is what I'm forecasting for a low on Black Friday. That's here in Austin, the coolest of the season. Outlying spots might possibly see a frost or freeze, especially in the hill country. If you're running the thundercloud subs turkey trot on Thursday morning, 52 degrees at the start, but that doesn't really tell the whole story. Behind the cold front Wednesday night, we're going to have gusty winds. I think we'll see sustained winds around 15 to 20 miles per hour. There could be winds gusting as high as 30 miles per hour during the race. So 50s, yes, but dress as though it's actually in the 40s. Meantime, tonight, we're sitting at 58 degrees, and our lows will actually only be in the 50s. Unlike this morning where we woke up to 30s and 40s, we're not going to see temperatures drop all that much. That's because of southwesterly winds coming in behind this front and ahead of the next front. So the next front isn't going to bring us precipitation, but it is hefty in terms of temperatures. It's going to have some staying power as well, with high temperatures expected to be below average, not only starting Thanksgiving, but for the next 6 days after that. And as you can see on Tuesday, we finally bring in some rain, but it's going to be a cold rain. High temperatures may only be in the mid-50s by then.